Hello 143 class. This is a problem from your chapter 4 review. This is problem number 3. So what the deal with this problem is when you compute this cash flow, it says monthly, and some of the things you have are in months, okay, but other things are in other time units, and you have to figure out a way to make it monthly. So what we have to do here, the first thing we have to do here is take the things that are not months and come up with a way to make them months. Alright, so the scholarship, $4,200 a year, we're going to take that 4,200 and divide it by 12, and that's how many dollars it is per month. So 350 per month, and now everything else is in months. So the income, like the positive numbers, are 400, 400. All right, these two 400s, and then we have to do the same thing, but for the expenses, which would be negative. So we got this is in monthly, but this is in weekly, and then it says over here 1 month is 4 weeks. So if this is $50 a week, that means we need to multiply that by 4 to get how many dollars that is per month. So that's $200 per month. This is $3,000 twice a year. So that's $3,000 times 2. That's how many we have to do in a year. And then just like before, we're going to divide that by 12. Alright, so that's 500 and 200 are now negatives. Alright, and then we have one more incidentals. 110 per week. We're going to multiply that by 4 to get how many per month. Okay, so 200, 500, and 440 are negatives, along with the 500. Alright, so we'll add those together. 500, which is already in months. The groceries ended up being 200 a month. Alright, the tuition and fees ended up being 500 a month. Alright, and then the incidentals ended up being 440 a month. Alright, so this is the negative amount, 1640. Alright, and then we're just going to subtract this. We're going to subtract the positive minus the negative. Alright, so we have a negative $490 a month cash flow. Alright, so make sure that you get everything in terms of months if you're being asked to do monthly cash flow.